up means venire, sapere. You find out something, come and tell me. Give up means arrendersi. I give up, stop bothering me. Take up means iniziare. I took up a hobby and I'm the best. Learning phrasal verbs each day turns your words into a play. Make up means inventare. You make up a story in your mind. Get on with means andare, the cura. You get on with friends you find. Run out of means consumare. You run out of pasta, so it ends. Learning phrasal verbs each day turns your words into a play. Set off means partire. Let's set off to a new place. Rely on means contar. Rely on me, in my heart you have space. Look after means prendersi, cura. You look after pets or babes. Learning phrasal verbs each day turns your words into a play. Depender means dipender. It depends on what we do. Take off means togliersi, but it means to color it too. Go off means venire. Food goes off and that's real bad. Learning phrasal verbs each day turns your words into a play. Put off means inventare. Don't put it off, just do. Handing means consegue, like I'm handing this to you. Go after means cura. I go after you around the world. Learning phrasal verbs each day turns your words into a play. Learning phrasal verbs each day turns your words into a play.